Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, are you there? Hello, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Naririnig ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, akala ko may problem na naman. Kasi it's a little bit gloomy here, no? Medyo makulimlim. Kaya nga I'm worrying about the connection eh. Let's wait for the others, no? Na-admit ko pa lang sila. Kindly open your, open nyo nga yung mga cameras ninyo. So I can see who are already present. By the way, do not forget to sign the attendance. It's a Google form. Admit all, admit all. How are you? Did you have already your breakfast? Nag-almusal na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Oh, really? What's for breakfast?
Pancit Canton po, sir.
Pambansang, pambansang hindi. Yung iba, yung iba, hot dog. Why is it that 1, 2, I can see 12 participants, but from my view, 1 to 6 lang doon dito sa gallery view. What happened? Ayun. No? Yung iba, no, naka-off video pa na sila. That's the reason. Let me see who are already present. We have Jason, Raisa, Andre, Sarah, Christian, Rain, Princess, Chelsea, Jenson, Karel, Justin Claire, Justin Derek. 13 participants in all. How about the rest? What happened to them? What happened to them? My goodness. Ano ba naman yan? Sayang, hindi pa naman Christmas break, no? Early Christmas break ata sila. Why naman? Although Pasko na rin ako, look at my virtual background. Christmas season is in the air, you know. Oh, how are you, Jason?
Ayos lang po, sir.
How about you,
Tulog din po maayos.
Sarah? Hello, your microphone.
Sir,
What?
ayos lang po.
Ayos lang. How about you, Chelsea?
Okay lang din po.
Okay. At maluwanag yung microphone mo na I can hear clearly. Oh, how about you, my brilliant programmer? Christian, bulag ka pa mo, ha?
Okay lang po, sir.
Inaantok ka pa? Are you drowsy?
Pagod ako kahapon, sir.
Oh, really? No. Oh my God, you feel sleepy. Raisa, oh, future doctor.
Ayos lang, sir.
By the way, I put in the chat portion of Zoom the attendance form, ha? Oh, yes. So, my another brilliant student, Andre. How are you?
Okay lang po.
Really? You look so sleepy. Rain. Galang, Rain.
Okay lang din po, sir.
Ha?
Okay lang din po.
Mahina na yung iyong microphone. No? So, may later on sa recitation. You know naman for the enrichment lessons, your only main source of points is your recitation speaking. Princess, how are you?
Okay lang, sir.
Oh, yung mga cameras nyo ba sira? Kindly open them, please. Jenson,
Okay lang po, sir.
really? Then
Opo.
we have, dito na naman, lumiikot na naman ang Zoom na ito na naman ako. Karil, oh, what happened? I thought you cannot join. Karbong ko.
Hi po, sir.
Oh, kala ko
Bumilis na po yung wifi po namin.
bumilis na ba yung wifi ninyo? Ano ba yung inyong telco? Internet provider?
Converge po.
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the
Thank
club
you,
of
sir.
converge na yung mga slow. Joke. Next. Justin, how are you? Mer.
Okay lang po.
Oh, Luna.
Okay lang din po.
By the way, nice profile picture. Ne? Yung mga nakikita ko sa newsfeed ko, yung mga cute-cute si Rain. Ewan ko nung nangyayari, si Luna, no? Dami-daming fans, no? Tapos, Justin Deirit. Justin. One. Calling once. Calling twice. Calling thrice. You're dead. Next, Christian. Christian Madrid. Hello. Uy, Christian Madrid. Are you there? Once, calling twice, calling thrice, and you're dead. All right, before we formally start,
Sir.
like what I said last time, enrichment lessons na lang ito, hanggang week 3 lang talaga. And then I already extended na super duper bonggang extension your requirements. I do hope na sana nakakapag-submit na kayo because starting tomorrow, I will start checking your requirements. No, monitor ko naman kung sino yung mga on time, so I will give incentives and sino naman yung mga ano. But nonetheless, no pressure, no? I offered my help, so well, ang pinakamabigat nyo lang so far na output naman yung video but I gave so much brilliant bonggang super na million Milky Way extension on for that requirement. So I hope it's not a problem, it's not a source of pressure or a burden for your part. No, sandali, we have two students who are on the waiting room, Erica and Jane Jill. Let's wait for them. Hello, Erica. Are you there? Erica. Hello, Beijing. How about you, Jangel? Are you there? Turn on your cameras and microphone. Ba naman itong mga to? Hello? Ay, no. Maybe slow connection. There, Erica, I can see you. Hello.
Sir.
Oh, how are you? What?
Better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday. Oh, glad to hear that. Now, how about you, Jangel? Hello? Jangel? Ay, nako, wala ata. Jangel? No, I can see her my day. Puro TikTok. Dami sa inyo, master in TikTok. Mga TikTok teries. No? Grabe. Nako. Buti pa ako. Walang Instagram. Walang TikTok. May Twitter. Walang laman. The last post. Yung ginawa ko. Anyway. Please upload and submit your outputs. If you can, kung namomonitor ninyo, tanging sa online na lang ako hindi nagpo-post ng mga passing and high scores. Kasi I was hoping and I was waiting na sana lahat makapag-comply. Lahat kasama doon. Another thing is, if there are concerns, please tell me. Starting tomorrow, I will check your requirements. I will check your requirements. No? Yung mga hindi nagsasubmit, sinabi ko na sa advisor ninyo. So I hope na follow up sila. Kasi hindi ko rin alam hindi sila nagpaparamdam. Hindi sila nagsasabi kung may problem sila so I can help them. No, mini-message ko naman, minomotivate ko. Pag tinatanong ko, sabi okay lang daw, no? Babawi daw. Hanggang ngayon parang relief goods, no? Nalilate yung kanilang delivery ng kanilang. So I do not know what's the problem, sana, no? So I hope for most of you hindi ganun ang concern, pero some lang. Kasi pag wala, it's so unfair naman. Sana you understand. Kahit gusto ko pumasa, I cannot give the same high grade for everybody to those who did not comply. Lalo na unfair naman doon sa mga unang nag-comply. Diba? So, we must balance our sense of understanding, consideration with our sense of justice here, people. Yan lang, no? Pakisabi naman sa kanila. And then, kung may group chat kayong sarili-sarili ninyo, kindly motivate naman your classmates. Kawawa din naman sila. Pero, pag nag-lapse ang deadline, wala naman ako magagawa. Hindi naman habang buhay, first quarter. We need to move on. We need to issue your grades. Okay, let's start. Now, again, this is an enrichment lesson. Just listen. Tip, study tip. Mukha last time. Yung iba sa inyo natututo na. No? Conceptualize your thoughts. Ang pinaka-main points yun lang dito, your recitation. Okay, ulitin ko, your main points here. Source of points is your recitation. Actually, in reality, I'll be honest with you, doon ko kinukuha yung panghila sa mga recitation ninyo. Okay? So, I hope you strive na make effort in reciting and in using the English language. Then, pag bongga yung of course, I give higher score. If your answer is magnificent, amazing, and astounding, no? I give higher points for that. This is again an enrichment lesson. It's not part of the curriculum. Pero kaysa naman sa iba na pag wala na, walang tinuturo, hindi naman nata. Sulit-sulitin natin yung libreng nyo, edukasyon. Sulit-sulitin natin yung libreng education ninyo. No? At least naman, you know more, mas marami kayong alam kung para doon sa mga nasa modules, no? Na binibigti yung mga modules nila, no? In fairness, social na yung modules nila ngayon, no? Naka-print na, may cover na, may kahon na. Kaya ewan ko, no? Let me do some screen sharing.
Sir, hindi daw po pala makakapag-join po si Mads ngayon po.
Kawawa. Bakit? What happened to Mads? Doon natin.
Masakit daw po yung ulo niya, sir.
Ay, na paano rubos niya? Sabi na magparacetamol. Bio Jesse. Tanong din niya kung may right med nun. Mura lang yon. By the way, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So, slides. Dali lang, Please bear with me. You know, my laptop is already old, 4 GB memory. Sometimes it's loading, like slow. Yan. So, however, where are the participants? Ayan. Right, so what can you see on the screen? So I'll randomly call you. So what can you see, all of you, just to check if we are on the same page? What can you see on the screen?
The
Seven Ages of Man
Right,
by William Shakespeare.
By William Shakespeare. All right. Oh, I'm so glad that you know how to read that, Shakespeare. Kasi mga past grade 9 students, they do not know how to pronounce this. They are pronouncing this as William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare. My God. And I was shocked. William Shakespeare. Ay, nako. na natatumbling ang kanila. This is actually, kung face-to-face class tayo, this is the first lesson. This is the first lesson. And since grade 9 talaga, in reality, na the field of literature being explored in this grade level is English American literature. And when we are talking of literature of English American, by the way, English is not in America. Ang original talagang birthplace, origin ng English language is not in USA. No, it's in Britain, England. Kanya nga English, England. So we are talking about the literature of England, Britain, at the same time, because of the exploration nila Columbus, nila Amerigo Vespucci, nakarating, no, na US became a colony of England those times. Ganyan nakarating ang English language doon, pati yung musmong sarili nila literature. No? So that is the, so let us focus on this one. Now, so this will be the outline of presentation. I will not finish all of the lesson here. Na? I think 2 to 3 meetings ito. But for this part, this session, I'll just review your introduction to literature and poetry, because when you will have your subject, world literature or 21st century literature in senior high school, you will be asked again on these basic terms, these basic concepts. So, review tayo. Introduction to literature. So, let us reflect. Think about these things. What is beauty? What is love? And ultimately, what is the meaning of life? What is beauty? What is love? What's the meaning of life? Let's have some recitation. Come on. So, Chelsea, what is beauty for you?
For me, sir, beauty is not about the outside, it's about the inside.
And what is in the inside? Your small intestines, your large intestine, your liver, your gallbladder. Is that what you're referring to?
No, I mean, sir, the inside, it means that your kindness, your heart for people.
Okay, good. Thank you. I'll just react later on. How about Jason? What is love?
Love, sir, is a feeling where one person feels
What? Louder, louder.
Love is a feeling where one person feels affectionate to other people that expresses love. For example, family.
Sige. Thank you. Oh, Luna, what is the meaning of life? There are no wrong answers here. Luna Mariparas.
Wait lang po.
Oh, I'll get back at you. Next. Erica, what is the meaning of life? For your own, it's your own understanding. Ready na kayo. Be ready.
The meaning of life is to fulfill your purpose on why you existed.
What do you think is your purpose? Sige. What do you think is your purpose?
To make other people happy, not only for myself, but for the other people.
Wow, how noble, to make other people happy. Oh, please make me happy. Give me 10 million pesos. Give me 10 million pesos. That will make me happy at the moment. Joke. All right.
Also,
now, people, notice when you're answering these questions and reflecting on the essence of these questions, you cannot help but to look at your own human experience, your own personal experience. How did you experience concept of beauty? How did you experience love? Put it in Filipino. Allow me to speak in Filipino. Sa pagsagot sa mga tanong na to, titingnan mo ang karanasan mo. Now, when you will try to express, communicate those important, sublime human experiences, if you express them in a way that is artistic, no? Reflecting of truth in a beautiful way. Well, you are already dealing with literature. If you will be asked, what is literature? Is it simply about the stories, the poems, the printed letters? Well, at the outside, on the outset, no, outside, external appearance, you can say yes. Kasi nga, etymologically, no, the origin of the word literature came from the Latin litera. Basically, simply means acquaintance, na meeting, encounter with letters. Because basically, the words, these things, they are made up of words and basically letters. Pero beyond the words, beyond the letters, what is the content? What is the idea? Literature is about SHE. Tandaan niyo yan. S-H-E. The acronym SHE. And the acronym SHE talks about significant human experiences. Mahahalagang karanasan ng tao. Such as what example? Those questions. What is beauty? What is love? What's the meaning of life? This is the general content and essence of literature. We learn the innermost feelings and thoughts of people. When you try to read a story, a romantic story, you are having an idea, learning what does it feel to love someone, to be rejected, to fall in love. No? When you are reading works, like for example, Noli and Elfili, you get a glimpse. What is the experience, the condition of the Filipinos during those time when they are being oppressed, when they're being colonized, nung naghihirap sila. Nararamdaman mo, nagkakaroon ka ng idea, natututunan mo. Now, at the simplest definition, these are preserved writings. Pinreserve para hindi mawala. Why are they being preserved? Because they talk about important human experiences that the future generation can learn and do. They reflect the history and the culture of the people who wrote them. No? And usually they deal about the life of the people in a particular country, period. Philippine literature, English American literature, for grade 9, sa grade 7, Philippine lit. Sa grade 8, I hope you studied Afro-Asian literature, the literature of Africa and Asia. And in grade 10, papalawak yan, you're getting bigger, no? To see the bigger picture, you will now deal with world literature until sa senior high school, most recent 21st century literature. So, if you will be asked, why do people write? Why do people write? 3 reasons. Self-expression, entertainment, and information. Now, what do we mean by self-expression or Rain? Others be ready. What do we mean by self-impression?
Wait lang po,
At
sir.
people write na as a form of self-impression. Rain, is she around?
Yes,
Wala
sir.
yata. O,
Sir,
Princess.
andito po.
Okay, Rain, go.
Yung parang ano,
What? Hello, I did not hear, anak.
wait lang po, sir. Medyo mahina po yung connection.
Okay, I'll get back at you. Princess, Sophia, what do you mean by self-expression? Princess. Okay, Real, sige, you raise your hand.
They talk about their own experience po and they express their feelings by writing po.
Simply, you write for the other people to know what you think, what you feel, what happened to you. Best example, your Facebook status, your Facebook post. No? Question, sir, yung bang mga picture considered one literature? Possible kung may caption. Ulitin ko, possible kung may caption. And kapag ka may sinulat na, any paragraph, any words, no, about that, that's already literature. Kanya general yan eh. Kahit nga yung newspaper, news, it's a form of literature. No? Iba nga lang ng anyo, ng pamamaraan, paano express yung idea, para sa iba't ibang purpose. Kanya nga you have what you call different literary genres. Later on, you will know that. Second reason, for entertainment. What does it mean for entertainment? Entertainment. Let me call other. Raisa. Ay, Luna. Sige, Luna, you're raising your hand.
Siya po yung form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience.
All right, correct. In short, you want the summary? For fun. Jokes. Do you know Bob Ong? Kung kilala nyo yun, si Bob Ong. Hindi nyo kilala.
No, sir.
Yung ano yun kwentong barbero puro comical, yung comedy. Yan, example yan. Yung kanyang alamat ng gubat, yung start. No? Isang araw, merong isang malaking dagat. Sa ilalim nito, maraming sirena pero walang kinalaman sa alamat ng gubat. That is the opening lines ng kanyang alamat ng gubat. Si Bob. And then another one, nakakabasa na pala ako. That was made into film. And then another is, ang paboritong libro ni Judas. And then another book niya is, Bakit Baliktad Magbasa ng Libro Mga Pilipino? You read those. Kung ano kayo. Nakakatawa pero satirical way. Ibig sabihin, satirical in a form of comedy, nakakatawa. Pero marami siyang puntong patama na mga mali sa kultura natin about Philippines. You just have time. And then last, for information. What does it mean? Why do people write for information? Andre Justin Salunga. Andre, your idea. Where is he? Andre. Wala, I'll just get back at you. Raisa, your idea.
Ito po yung facts provided po, or ito po yung learned about something po.
Correct. Best example for information so that you will learn. You will get your textbooks. No? Generally, the love for truth, accuracy, and evaluation. That's the reason why people now, people write. Kaya lang, the way they write, iba-ibang estilo. They have different style. They have different purpose. No? Minsan, pinapatula, poem. Minsan, pakwento in a story. Kapag mahabang kwento, very long story na may chapters na, it's a novel. You call those the different works, different style, different expression na pamamaraan, paano isulat ang isang bagay, idea, or a certain literature. You call that genre. The genre. This is kasi French origin. Genre. The category of artistic words. Now, in literature, different types of literature, specific works, can be divided into three major genre or division types. You have prose, poetry, and drama. Yeah, drama, sir? Yes, kaya nga your movies, your videos, your K-dramas are part of literature. Why? Because drama is a form of literature that is intended to be performed. Hindi. So, ulitin ko, ang panitikan, literature, hindi lang binabasa, pati yung pinapanood. Now, under these three, marami pang, so 10 minutes na rin. When this will end up, pasok ulit. You have specific subdivisions pa. Under prose, pwedeng fiction, non-fiction. Kung naman poetry, may stanza, pwedeng narrative, yun nakukwento lang, or your songs. Yung mga kanta ninyo, they are actually under poetry. Poetry yan. Tulayan. Nilapatan lang ng himig. No? You call that lyric poetry. And kung drama, kung sad ending, tragedy, kung happy naman, bright resolution, comedy. Now, prose is a type of literature. How is it being written? Paano sinusulat? In sentences or paragraph. Tuluyan sa Pilipino. Bakit? Tuloy-tuloy lang. Para ka lang nagle-lecture. Tulad, hindi siya sinusulat in the form of stanza. Kapag ka sentences and paragraphs, kamukha how we speak, tuloy-tuloy, that is what you call prose. And then you have the specific types of prose. No? Short stories, fairy tales, novels, biographies, letters, memoirs, historical essays, and reports. Okay, this point in time, please give one example of any of these, and then give me a title or an ano, and then tell me what is the genre. Halimbawa, Harry Potter, novel. Okay. Tingnan natin how, ano yan. Just give one example for your recitation points. Oh, Christian, come on, give one example. Siguro naman, may alam kayo kahit sa mga to. Christian, Madrid. Christian. Give one example, anything. Siguro naman, may nabasa ka na kahit na alin sa mga to. Just the title and then what is the genre, halimbawa. Christian. Anyone? Or use the raise hand function of Zoom. Give one example. Hindi ko pa tinawag. O sige, Rain.
Ano po, sir?
What?
Prince Sneezer. Fantasy and romantic, sir.
All right. Correct. What else? Come on, give one example. Uy, fairy tales. Wala kayo alam na fairy tales. My goodness na, mga bata. Parang hindi kayo give one example. Andre, give one example. Ito na naman. Hi, Christian Madrid, you're raising your hand. Sige. Christian. Ay, sorry. Christian, one example. Ay, yata ako naririnig. Sino pa yung nagtataas ng kamay? Wait. O sige, Jason.
Sleeping Beauty, sir. Fiction.
O, Sleeping Beauty. Anong example yon? What genre?
Fiction, sir.
Fiction, specifically what? Alin sa mga to?
Fairy tales, sir.
Fairy tales. My gosh, your Disney films. My goodness. Pasok sila dito. Lahat, oh. Dalawang ito. Yung movies ninyo, ang dami sa third one. Isipin nyo lang yung mga yon. Biographies, letters, o yung mga politicians. Si Jose Rizal, biography siya. Memoirs. Memoirs are short narratives about memories, parang essays. Historical essays and reports, news report. Yung mga articles na net. Fiction, by the way, doesn't mean na 101% true per detail. Ang totoo yung message niya in lesson. Pero non-fiction, whatever is written is that talagang totoo nangyari. And ba, news. No, that is non-fiction. Let's move. Poetry, it's different. If prose, sinusulat sentences, paragraph, ang poetry, it's being written in lines. And that group of lines, you call that stanza. Stanzas. You have three, lyric, narrative, and concrete poetry. Now, ang drama naman, it's a type of literature that is being intended to be performed on stage. Originally, before meron television, sa stage yan, sa theater. Actually, kung hindi nga lang pandemic, sayang. Because your final output in English 9 is supposed to be at musical stage play. No? May mga magiging artista sa inyo, magiging director, magiging makeup artist, mag-props design, propsman, costume designer, sayang. No? Tapos may mga kakanta, may arte, yung lines, nakasulat yon. That is what you call the script. Yun ang written version ng kwento. Pero pag yun, pinerform na, nagiging drama na, binibigyan na ng buhay. You're giving life to the printed dead script. No? The ancestor ang ninuno ng mga movies ninyo is drama. Oh, give example of drama. Ang dami-daming films dyan. My goodness. For your recitation, come on people, come on. Sino pa yung hindi ko tinawag na walang points? Sarah, give an example of a drama, movie, or a play. Sarah, be ready others, ha? Be ready itong mga to. Dadaanin ko na. After Sarah, Jenson, be ready. Isip-isip na. Kayan, be ready. Give an example. Sarah. O Andre, give an example. Salunga. Yung mga wala pang points, silang tinatawag ko, 2 minutes na. Ano ba naman yung Karin? Meron ka ng points.
Sorry po, sir.
No? Kaya nga, although I can see those who are raising their hand, I want to give chance to that. Ano ba naman kayo? Just give any example. Wala pa kayo natapanood na movie naman. Imposible. I highly doubt it. Di ako naniniwala. Kayo pa. Maniniwala ko hindi kayo nagbabasa pero nanonood. Hindi siguro. You are watching a lot. Ako nga, I'm watching Netflix. My goodness. Sino pa? By the way, since by the way, time is running out, let me stop this and then let's go back, ha? I-end ko muna to and then pasok ulit, ha? Sige, and then isip muna kayo because this is the last part for today's discussion. I'll just end it. Then see you again.